Hello friends, a mirror is a necessary household object designed to help us get dressed in the morning and make sure we look presentable before leaving the house. But mirrors are also versatile decorative objects in their own right. Using decorative mirrors, from antique to vintage to contemporary styles, is an easy way to make an impact in any room in the house. Hanging a decorative mirror on the wall can make a room feel bigger, brighter, and more visually interesting. Well-placed mirrors can make small spaces feel more expansive, create perspectives, and bounce around natural light. They can be used to create a focal point, to add sparkle and depth to a windowless wall, to make a statement, or to blend into the background and help the rest of your decor to shine. Below are some clever ideas for using decorative mirrors to decorate your space. The entryway to many homes and apartments is a light-challenged space that can be lifted up by the addition of a decorative mirror. But mirrors are a great anchor piece for any entry. Conventional interior decorating wisdom will have you instinctively hanging your mirror centered above a table, mantel, couch, or other anchoring piece of architecture or furniture. While there's nothing wrong with that classic move, hanging a mirror a little off-kilter can create an element of surprise and add some life and dynamism to a decor scheme. Embodies the quality and integrity of an original piece of art. Marie-Therese is a non-traditional mirror. Decorating your hall with this mirror, you will be enticed to touch the sculptured frame to appreciate its beauty. What seems confused and cluttered can, at a glance, acquire a new meaning, capable of inspiring and enchanting us. The glance mirror round mirror tells us that story, the crossroads of life, and the reason among the chaos.